Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. What's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of keeping your beloved Biellette mocha pot sparkling clean and in tip-top shape. And if you already have one of these classic brewers at home, you know how critical it is to maintain for that perfect stovetop espresso every time. And whilst a patina does build up over time and with good use overall, and this is almost unavoidable, there are a few simple quick tips that can save you headaches and heartbreak to your morning coffee maker. As well as, I will link any spare parts used in this video up above and down below. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So first things first, let's keep your mocha pot clean daily. Regular cleaning ensures that your coffee tastes great and your mocha pot lasts longer. Straight up here, the thing you want to avoid is using soap of any kind. So no soap on your mocha pot. And this is perhaps where the mocha pot gets its reputation as a brewer that is somewhat meant to be kept unclean. It's totally not the case here. After every use, a good rinse of your mocha pot under some hot water. This will easily remove most coffee stains and oils. And then using a cloth in this way will also further deepen the clean. Note though, avoid scrubbing your mocha pot with abrasive materials like steel wool. What is critical here is the drying and the storing. Now you want to thoroughly dry your mocha pot after cleaning, and this is where you will get into issues if you don't. And this is where you begin to see then further acceleration of oxidization on the metals. And whether it's the aluminium, which is prone to it, or the stainless steel model, any residual water left in the mocha pot between uses will begin to create discoloration, pitting, or scale. So those little bumps and divots that you may see inside your mocha pot. And generally speaking, if you already have these on your mocha pot, they're somewhat irreversible, but don't worry, as it doesn't affect the effectiveness of the brewer one bit. Now, as an additional step, but one that's not necessarily needed after every brew, with the top section screwed off from the base and underneath this, using a fork or prying instrument, remove the rubber gasket along with the metal filter plate. Once again, giving all of this a good rinse. Now, if you've done everything above and still feel like it could be cleaner, there are 3 household ingredients that you can use that will make your pot shine. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, and then you can add a dash of lemon juice or citric acid to that mix, and soak all of the parts disassembled, everything except for the rubber gasket, for about 30 minutes. Once that's done, rinse well, give it a thorough dry, and you'll be good to go. Now let's talk about changing the filter and the gasket on your mocha pot. The gasket helps seal the pot and maintain pressure during brewing, whereas the filter helps keep grinds out of your cup. And these will, over time, get blocked, clogged, bent, burnt, or broken, as well as that rubber seal, as it heats up and cools down, will most likely become stiff and brittle. Thankfully, both of these come in a pack together, which you can find in the corner of your screen right now, and it is a good time to replace both when you're replacing the seal, which will most likely go before the filter. Now to do this, remove the old filter from under the top section first, and then with that new seal placed on the outer edge of the metal filter, with the part of the metal filter with the holes raised upwards facing outwards, so the seal holds the metal filter in place. And with thumb or fingers, run them along the seal and press upwards to install correctly. And then when it's done, you basically have a new mocha pot. And there you have it, a clean and well-maintained Biellette mocha pot ready for your next coffee adventure. Now remember, regular maintenance is key to enjoying the perfect cup of espresso. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a large thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more coffee tips and tricks. Happy brewing, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, clean.